Hey guys, it's Isabella. I'm tired. It's probably like 9. I'm going to be showing you my slimes, like a couple of them. Oh yeah, and this jacket's from Dance Class. I'm tired. Let's get one. This is... Whoa. That was cool. This is one of my favorite ones out of my... Oh yeah. This is one of my favorite ones. So, it's like a sticky-ish. Ugh. Made it a clear.